friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a short plant video, so let us start off with our spider plant. These are the two types of spider plants that I have in my collection, and yes, I just love them. Now this is my calathea, and I had been waiting for ages, and finally I can see a new leaf out there which will unfurl in the coming days. I have two varieties of pinstrip calathea. The other one is a fast grower, but this grows very slowly. Now this is my maranta and the wandering Jew, that's the Tradescantia nunuk, planted together, and it's doing well. This is my pot which has the peace lily, and finally the blooms are all gone, and this is the plant. It's a huge one. This is my neon pothos, which is looking very vibrant. Look at the color. It just brightens up the space. A beautiful shade of green. See, I'm stretching myself to show you all the first set of, I should call it flowers only. Actually, it's not flower. We all know that it's the bract, but still I'm calling it flower. The first set of flowers in my bougainvillea. Now, this is the reason for this short plant video. This is the new leaf that has unfurled, and look at the color. How beautiful it looks. Beautiful. Now this is my variegated pothos or the money plant, which is also again my all-time favorite. It will never disappoint you. It always looks happy. Moving on to my pretty geranium. Look at the blooms. That's there, and this is there on the other side. It looks pink, but actually it is not pink. It is purplish in color, and that's the bloom. I'm going to keep it for a few days to check if any seeds form. Then I'm going to chop it off. Now this is the caladium, and I think we still have a month to enjoy the beauty of the caladiums, because after September it is going to shrivel up and dry, and then we have to wait for the next monsoon to enjoy the beauty. So thank you, my friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the short video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye.